2012 RX 300. As one of the first entries in the crossover luxury SUV segment, the Lexus RX 300 provides a high seating position, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo capacity, along with great fuel economy, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, heated seats, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, backup camera, power door locks, side airbag system, child safety rear door locks, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.